How to download and install CapCut on PC, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to download and install CapCut on your PC. CapCut is an amazing video editing software that lets you unleash your creativity. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once your browser is open, go to the official CapCut website. You can easily find it by typing CapCut into the search bar. Typing CapCut into the search bar and pressing enter. Here we are on the CapCut website. Now, let's download the software. Look for the download button and click on it. The download should start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few moments to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file. Now, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. A window will pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Next, the CapCut installer will launch. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you can launch CapCut from your desktop or the Start menu. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on your PC. Now you can start editing your videos and unleashing your creativity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. See you next time.